Alright, let's dive into stack versus heap memory. This is a medium-level question that comes up frequently in Java interviews, and it trips up a lot of candidates. It falls under JVM and memory, and understanding this deeply will set you apart. Let's get into it. Stack memory is per thread and stores method call frames, local variables, method parameters, and return addresses. It follows LIFO, last in, first out. When a method returns, its frame is popped. Heap memory is shared across all threads and stores all objects created with new. The garbage collector manages heap memory. Stack is faster, pointer bump allocation, but limited in size. Heap is larger but slower, GC overhead. Now, why does this matter in interviews? Understanding where data lives explains Stack Overflow error, deep recursion, out-of-memory error, too many objects, and why primitives are faster than wrapper objects. Let me go deeper. When you declare int x is equal to 10 inside a method, x is stored on the stack. When you write new object, the object goes on the heap, and the reference, pointer, goes on the stack. Primitives in objects are stored on the heap as part of the object. Each thread gets its own stack, default 512 kilobytes to 1 megabyte, but shares the heap. Stack access is O1, just move the pointer. Heap access requires traversing references and is subject to GC pauses. Let's look at the code for stack versus heap memory. I'll walk you through each section. First, notice that stack, primitive local variables. Then, heap, objects, stack holds the reference. Then, S, reference, stack. Then, string object heap. And finally, heap, arrays. Take a moment to study this code. The patterns here will come up in your interviews. Now, let's talk about the gotchas, the traps that catch people in interviews. First, a warning, string literals are special. String literals live in the string pool, part of heap since Java 7. They're not garbage collected as easily as regular objects. Here's a dangerous trap, escape analysis can stack allocate. The JIT compiler may allocate short-lived objects on the stack, escape analysis, if they don't escape the method. This is an optimization, not a guarantee. And a pro tip, tune stack size with XSS. If you get Stack Overflow error with deep recursion, increase stack size, Java XSS to M. But fixing the recursion depth is usually better. Keep these edge cases in mind. Interviewers specifically test for these. So here's the key takeaway. Stack is equal to per thread, fast, LIFO, stores primitives and references. Heap is equal to shared, GC managed, stores all objects. Stack Overflow is equal to deep recursion, is equal to too many objects. And for your interview strategy, draw a diagram, stack frame with local variables pointing to objects on the heap. Show what happens when a method returns. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Java interview prep. Let's nail that next interview.